Hello? Ready to make life much easier? These are the 5 fastest life hacks you need to know. Broke your broom? Don't throw it away! Here's how to fix it using an empty plastic bottle. Cut off the threaded neck of a plastic bottle and firmly screw it onto the end of the broken wooden handle. Embed and screw the matching bottle cap into the hole of the broom head. Twist the broom handle with the bottle neck onto the cap attached to the broom head. Your broom is now sturdy, won't fall apart, and is ready to use. Genius DIY. Turn a toothpaste tube into a functional water spout. Simply cut and clean it. Attach the threaded cap end to the water pipe's opening. Then secure the rest of the tube. This is a neat emergency solution. The water flows smoothly and precisely, just like from a faucet. Repurpose trash for your water needs. Transform an old plastic bottle into a beautiful planter. Cut the bottle at the bottom and middle. Join the 2 parts, then make a hole in the bottle cap for drainage. Fill with soil and plant. Done. A unique planter from recycling. Don't throw away empty detergent containers. Mark and cut the container into 2 wavy pieces. Smooth the edges with a light flame. Punch holes in the bottom for drainage. Join the 2 pieces and decorate with flower stickers. Now you have a cute decorative planter.
Beautiful flower pot DIY from an empty bottle. Start with a brightly colored, empty detergent bottle. Draw a curved cutting line. Then carefully cut along the line using a craft cutter or utility knife. Once cut, pierce holes in the bottom part for drainage. Attach small decorations like a flower. And your beautiful DIY flower pot is ready for planting.